I got this other trunk extension. I had them both on, but this one was a little loose. So I went back through and drilled some more holes and welded them in and reground it down. It would have been fine, but I don't know. See, now it doesn't move. Before it was, it was on and it would have been fine, but it wasn't as strong as this side. Now I've got to put that quarter panel on this side and figure out what I need to cut off. So I'm getting there. I got to get that trim off. I got to cut it about right here, and then this has to go. So it's critical. What I'm worried about here is where this lip goes around the edge here. How to get that off without destroying this piece. And how much of this do I take off? So I need to get that piece out of the box, mock it up, and see what needs to be cut off before I do any more cutting. And there's a little hole right here that I need to fix, which is easy. I know it seems minor, but I just got this chrome trim off right here. And it was so hard to get this to the screws without destroying the screws or anything else. But I found this today. It gave me enough of an edge where I could get behind there and get the screws at least started, and then they were easier enough to get out. So now I got to clean up this edge, take this side off a little bit. Let me pause. All right, we're back. Same day, same everything. Just turned on the bright light so we can see. This edge I've got to grind off without destroying this piece. And then I have to see how far this one goes. I would guess it just has the same edge. I don't know about the down there. We have to save those. And then wherever this comes off, you cut it right there. So basically, as soon as I get that edge off and that down there off, I'll be ready to try, because I don't want to cut this off until I'm sure exactly where. I think it goes probably to about right there. But I won't know for sure till I get there. And then I've got to cut this edge off. You can see where it's all rusted in this corner. I'm going to cut that off. And I know it comes around like that. And the new piece is over there in the box. So next project, since I got that chrome off. Really been thinking about that for months, trying to get that off. I already had the other side off. Once I get this edge that kind of lips over here ground off and pulled off without destroying that, and I'll temporarily put the quarter on, and we'll be good.
First time it's been off.
Oh, what the hell is this? Oh, don't break up. That's not part of this.
Well, what's your new one got? Nothing?
It just got this.
So you want to just cut that off and leave this on here?
Yeah. Cut off a little bit, and then once we get to it, we trim it.
Still on there?
Yeah, I ran out of disc.
Oh. It's a video. Say hi.
Hi.
There it is.